leads the revolution. Leila lived in Turkey. She was a college student who liked to go out with her friends. During that time, the government in Turkey was very unpopular and had taken many measures against people's wishes. People often criticized the government, but no one acted up on this criticism. One day, the government announced that they would be demolishing a park to make way for a shopping complex. This park was very old, and nearly everyone had spent time playing there as a child. Leila decided that it was time to move beyond words. She told her friends that they should go to the park and protest. Her friends felt that would not have any impact as they were too few in number. They contacted more people, and on the day of protest, there were more than 5,000 people in the park. The government had to change its decision. Jamila saves lives from a flood. Jamila lived in Bangladesh. Floods were an annual affair, and most people were prepared to handle them. During the rainy season, they would move to safer areas and return to the low-lying lands after the rains. One day, it began to rain heavily in winter. Everyone stayed inside his house. They thought the rain would finish in a few hours. Jamila went out to check on her pet calf. When she was returning, she saw the river was overflowing on the upper banks. In a few minutes, the whole village would be flooded. There wasn't enough time to inform everyone. She grabbed a tin drum her father kept to store fodder. She began to beat it loudly with a stick. People came out to scold her for the noise she was making. She immediately warned them about the overflowing river. Everyone ran and saved his life. Hassan saves his classmates. Hassan and his classmates had gone for an excursion. They saw an empty riverbed with beautiful stones in it. They got out to spend some time in the riverbed. While they were strolling around, they heard a high-pitched whistle. No one paid attention to it. Suddenly, they saw water swirling down the riverbed. The water was coming with great force. All the students ran to the edge of the river to escape the water. Hassan was climbing up the bank when he saw that many of his friends were engulfed by the water. Hassan was a good swimmer. He turned back to help his friends. He rescued 2 boys, but by the time he turned to rescue a 3rd friend, the water was too powerful for him. He saw an overhanging tree ahead. He climbed on it and grabbed his friend before he was swept away. Farid saves many lives. Farid lived in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. Every year, a fair was organized during Diwali. People came from nearby villages. While in the fair, Farid was passing by the enclosure for the bulls. He noticed that there was a lot of noise. He did not pay much attention. A short while later, he saw a group of men running from the enclosure. one of the bulls had escaped. The noise was enraging it, and by now the bull was acting like a crazy animal. Farid knew that many people would be injured if it entered the main area of the fair. He quickly grabbed a piece of red cloth and ran towards the bull, waving the cloth in its face. He knew this would further enrage the bull, and it would try to attack him. As the bull turned towards him in anger, Farid ran away from the fair, saving many innocents' lives.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.